UMI weight jacks took a beating over the past year, and the thrust bearings have left the building. It looks like the hardened washers shattered on the driver's side and split on the passenger side. One thrust bearing survived, but the other one is all bent. So now it's time to rebuild these weight jacks. In a blast from the past, I forgot to film the disassembly of these weight jacks, so the footage that I'm using is from about 5 years ago. A large adjustable wrench and a 19mm socket is used to remove the lock nut. The nut at this point isn't very tight, so it comes off fairly easily. Once it was disassembled, I cleaned everything up in my sonic cleaner. UMI uses these low-profile nylock nuts, but these only have about 3 threads of total engagement, so that's really not very strong. These lock nuts from McMaster-Carr have twice the amount of thread engagement and won't be affected by the heat like the nylon does. This is the stack up for the bearing. It has 2 hardened washers and 1 needle thrust bearing in between. And this is how the weight jack gets assembled. I applied Aeroshell 33 grease to the thrust bearing and the 2 washers. Aeroshell 33 is really good stuff. It's often used on aircraft. But it smells very bad, so don't get it on your clothes. I used an adjustable wrench with an impact to tighten down the new lock nut. But before it's fully tight, I applied blue Loctite to the threads. That's just to make absolute sure that this lock nut won't loosen. Also, make sure to not get the Loctite in the thrust bearing itself. The last little bit of tightening is done by hand. It's better to be a little bit too tight than a little bit too loose, as the bearing will break in slightly as you use it. To avoid galling the adjuster, I put Aeroshell 33 grease on all the threads. The other half of the weight jack is spun on. It should spin nice and free. I wiped off the excess grease, and that's it. This year, I'll be going with a shorter and lighter spring in the front, but stay tuned for all of my winter fixes. I'll have more videos to come.